Have you ever wondered why chefs use flaky salts to finish their dishes instead of regular table salt? Today, we're diving deep into what makes flaky salt so special and how it can elevate your culinary creations. Flaky salt is a type of finishing salt with large, irregular crystals. Unlike regular crystals, which dissolves quickly, flaky salt's structure allows it to sit on top of dishes and dissolve slowly, providing bursts of flavor. Two popular types of flaky salts are Maldon and Diamond Crystal Kosher. While Maldon is often used as a finishing salt for its delicate flavor, the Diamond Crystal Kosher salt is more commonly used during cooking. Flaky salts are often packaged in smaller quantities like a 3.5 oz jar because their larger crystals mean you can use less to achieve the same salty effect, making it a cost-effective choice for enhancing flavors. Flaky sea salt is produced through patience and precision. For instance, at Lake Grasmere in New Zealand, the process of creating this unique salt involves natural evaporation and careful harvesting to maintain its flaky texture. Using flaky salt as a finishing touch can highlight flavors in dishes because it dissolves slowly on the tongue, allowing for a more prolonged taste experience compared to regular coarse salts used during cooking or brining. So whether you're sprinkling it over a dish just before serving, using its delicate crystals to add texture and taste, remember that flaky salt is not just about the saltiness, but also the textural experience it brings. Now you know why chefs prefer flaky salts for finishing touches. What dishes do you think would benefit most from a sprinkle of flaky salt? Share your ideas in the comments below.